To make a rubber power plane, these are the materials that you need. Some masking tape, some double-sided tape, a pen, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a wooden stick, a pair of wings, the plastic body for the plane, 9 rubber bands, 1 small rubber band, a pair of wheels, a propeller, a pair of fins, the body for the tail fin.
Take one of the pair of wings and your ruler and your pen. From the straight edge of the wing, take a ruler and make a 10 cm marking. Next, you move on to the curved edge. Use your ruler, make a 5 cm marking. Next, join up the two markings by using a ruler to draw a straight line. Next, I take the other pair of wings, put them together. Make sure that they are in line. I can press them to hold them securely. And I will cut the wings together. After cutting, take your double-sided tape, some double-sided tape to tape the edges of the wing. Now let's move on to taping the wings on the body of the plane. We have a pair of wings and we're going to cut this curved part of the wing, the leading edge of the wing. And this is the plastic body. So if you look carefully at the cross section, the one with the smallest hole should be the front of the plane. So when we peel off the double-sided tape, we should position the leading edge such that it faces the front of the plane as well. Next, we are going to cut some double-sided tape. The purpose of adding this double-sided tape is actually to maintain the dihedral of the wing, which is the wing angle. So the stiffness of the double-sided tape maintains this angle. Next, we are going to tape some masking tape across the wings. And we are going to take the wooden stick and we are going to position, we are going to slot the plastic body on the wooden stick. We can adjust the positioning later after we have completed the tail fins. Next, we are going to move on to constructing the tail of the plane. Okay, these are the portions needed for the tail of the plane, and we are going to slot the body of the tail through the wooden stick. We'll start with the hook plastic first. Okay, push it in, and then we are going to move on to slot the other portion through the wooden stick as well. This portion should face the top of the plane. Next, we are going to cut the fins. Before we do that, let's measure about 2 cm. Okay. Draw a line to connect your marking to the left of the marking tape, to the double-sided tape. Next, make another 2 cm marking, extend the marking to the edge, and then draw a line that goes from the right of the double-sided tape to the edge. And similar to before, we are going to cut our tail fin. After doing that, peel off some masking tape and paste it on the edge of the tail fin. Now that we are done, we can peel off the double-sided tape. This is the base of the tail. So we are going to stick this base like this in the center of the fin. Okay, I'm going to peel off the tip of the tail fin. Peel off the double-sided tip. I'm going to position the top of the tail fin, the stabilizer, at the body of the tail fin. Okay. Okay. So this is not secure. Use some masking tape. Tape the tail fin to the body securely. Do the same for the reverse side. You can trim off the excess portion that is protruding. Next, use a small rubber band. You can remove the body from the wooden stick first. Slot the rubber band through it, like this, and then reattach the body. And then you hook the rubber band across the wing to secure it, so it looks something like this. Next, we want to attach the wheels to the propellers. So we unhook the wheels. We slot the wheels like this. You can see that there's extra space for the wires to go in. So push the wires through the slot carefully. Okay, and then we push the wooden stick through the plastic slot of the propellers as well. Okay, you can still adjust the position of the body of the plane by sliding the plastic up and down. It's alright. Okay, so we can see that most of the plane is complete. So we can also bend the wheels forward to make the plane more stable, so they can stand by itself. Let's move on to the last part of the plane, attaching the rubber bands to the rubber powered aeroplane. Before we start to connect the rubber bands together, make sure the hook is facing the tail of the plane. If it's not so, just remove your tail, flip it around such that it's facing, and insert it back in Next, tie our rubber bands together. Okay. Pull it through and pull it tight, and do so for the last set. Connect like this, pull it through the rubber band. Okay. Next, connect the rubber bands to the propellers. Okay. Connect it to the hook at the end, and there we have a rubber power aeroplane.